Welcome back. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm having a great day. So I've got these eggs. I've got these eggs here, and I'm going to make the world's most boring egg fried rice. I've got short grain rice. Usually use long or jasmine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crack 3 eggs. We're going to put some rice in, some oil in, dark soy sauce. Kim Long, dark soy sauce. I'm going to use some Chinese 5 spice. It's probably not a thing, really, but it gives the whole kitchen sort of this, nose of kind of clovey. Hold on. That kind of anisey, cinnamon, star anise, clove, kind of ginger, and sulfiting agents. I mean, who doesn't love sulfiting agents? I took out some rice. I got some rice right here. Okay, you put 3 eggs in the pan, you just turn it on, and they cook inside the eggs, inside the shells. That's not true at all. Okay. Okay, we're going to use a fancy wok thingy. A lot of the rules about woks. Home woks can't get as hot as restaurant woks. That should be pretty self-evident if you ever go to a Chinese restaurant and you see the jet engine that's underneath the woks. Fire on. So we've got 2 or 3 tablespoons of, I'm using rice bran oil. And then we've got about 275 to 300 grams of cooked rice. Ideally, you'd want to have a longer grain rice and you want to refrigerate it overnight. Bring it out. It'll be a little drier. This is going to be not as dry. Also, our real fried rice, you're going to have shallots, garlic, stuff like that. It might have some veggie, like some frozen carrot and peas. This is for a 14-year-old who's kind of picky, so we're not doing any of that. We're just going to go with the basics: egg, rice, some seasonings, and some oil. And we're going to go to town. So what I'm trying to do right now is break it up as much as possible. So we're getting the, warming it through, but frying it, basically. And remainder of our oil and our egg. So to let the eggs cook, get them to brown a bit. My pan is not as seasoned as it could be. Now it wouldn't hurt to throw in a couple shakes of some 5 spice for fun. Now we're going to fold it in. Proportion-wise, this is probably half egg, half rice. I do. I don't know how I'm going to edit the sound out of this. If this were for me, I would put green onion in it right now. Yeah. Rice, egg, 5-spice, dark soy sauce. And it took, well, 10 minutes and I was talking for 5 of them. So. There you go. Quick as you like. Let's go deliver it. There you go. I'm a little bit. Try a little bit. I only made this because I had the cameras set up for the next thing I'm going to be cooking. I wouldn't normally do a fried rice thing because, you know, you have the Uncle Roger thing. And people really do judge fried rice when I'm not allowed to put anything in it because I have a child who's picky. It gets a little weird. Okay, so what did we learn? What's our takeaway? We use oil. We use rice that's been cooked, preferably cooled, didn't hear. Eggs directly into the pan, scramble in the pan. Chinese 5-spice with that little hint of Asian. And then we're going to use a dark soy sauce. It's different. The darker soy sauce actually has less salt in it. When you're looking to get, you know, a little less salt in your diet and you still want to use soy sauce and get that rich color, the dark soy sauce is good for that. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for coming by. This was a quickie. You got to like and subscribe. I know it's basic, it's boring, but some parent out there is going to find this remarkably useful video and be like, oh, why didn't I think of this? No, I did. I did it for you right there. So like it and leave a comment and tell me what other kinds of boring fried rices you make, if you make them, or what you would make as your most boring fried rice. Cool. Well, thanks again for coming by, and I will see you next time.